Welcome to Sparkwork. In today's video, we will learn how to create a workflow. Workflows enable you to put your LXP on autopilot. Let's understand how. To create a workflow, firstly click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From here, select Workflows. Now click on Create a Workflow. I am creating this workflow for new joiners as I want to automate their joining process. These are the triggers you can use whenever a new user is added to the system or when a user has interacted with content in the system. I am selecting User here, as I want this workflow to be triggered whenever a new user is added to the system. Now I can create different filters for the workflow. Here, I am selecting Filter by Unit. Whenever a user is added to a specific unit, the workflow will be initiated. Let's add more filters, such as if they have the job title of Customer Support. If this condition is met, I want to add that user to the HR channel. After adding a user to a channel, I want them to complete the training, so I am assigning this content to the user. After a delay of 5 days, I want to send a training completion email to the user. Now, I have completed creating the workflow I wanted. Let's have a look at what we have created. In this workflow, I want the system to automatically add a new user to the Sparkwork training unit if they have a specific job title. The system will add that user to the HR channel and assign them this content to complete. And after a delay of 5 days, an email will be sent to the user. So essentially, you have put your LXP on autopilot. Now, let's enable this workflow by clicking here and save it. That's it. Your workflow is now created. Training for creating a workflow is completed now. We hope this video has been helpful to you.